येषान्न विद्या न तपो न दानम् ज्ञानं न शीलं न गुणो न धर्मः ते मर्त्यलोके भुवि भारभूताः मनुष्यरूपेण मृगाश्चरन्ति।
भवतां सर्वेषां हार्दं स्वागतं व्याहरामः।
It has been established in 2019. The objective is to preserve our ancient cultural and literary heritage embodied in different texts and manuscripts of Sanskrit literature. The department is on developing stage. The head of the department, Professor Ranbir Singh ji, and the other two faculties are Dr. Ravidat Sharma ji and Dr. Bipin Kumar Jha ji. The another one is the non-teaching staff, Sri Krishna Kumar ji, is the clerk cum typist. And here is the total intake of students from the beginning to till now is 26. We have developed a web page for departmental activity and information. Our rehearsal and participation in Spandan 2022.
स्पंदन कार्यक्रमस्य उपलक्ष्ये संस्कृत विभागेन एकं लघुनाटकं
कहा गया है कि ये पृथ्वी जो है माँ है और मैं इसका पुत्र हूँ। अथर्ववेद के पृथ्वी सूक्त में मिलता है कि माता भूमि पुत्रो हम पृथ्व्या।
Yajna is the important spiritual tool by which we can get a healthy environment. Sanskrit department along with Swami Dayanand Peeth have been organized yajna time to time.
Presently, the research studies are clearly showing the positive effect of yajna on human health, especially the respiratory system.
Has initiated 3 months durational functional Sanskrit course. It is offered to all faculties and students of the university.
Indeclinables are given here. That will be very helpful while you are creating sentences. For example, adya, hyaha, swaha.
सर्वदा अस्मान् व्यवहारिकसंस्कृतस्य नवीनतम पुस्तकस्य रेफरेन्सेस् सन्दर्भसूचयः एवं वेब्सैट्स् विपिन महोदयेन प्राप्तम्।
In this course, the total number of participants is 63, in which there are 3 faculties and also
व्यवहारिकं
included.
संस्कृतं निश्चयेन विश्वविद्यालयस्य विविधविभागीयछात्राणां कृते लाभाय वर्तते इति मे दृढीयान् विश्वासः।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम यशवंत राय, मैं LLB 4th सेम के लॉ डिपार्टमेंट का छात्र हूँ। मेरा इस विषय को लेने का मुख्य उद्देश्य यह था कि मैं ये जानना चाह रहा था संस्कृत किस प्रकार से मेरे मुख्य विषय से जुड़ा हुआ है, जिसमें मैंने काफ़ी अधिक नई जानकारियाँ प्राप्त की, जैसे कि IPC जो है उसमें जो दंड शब्द है वो संस्कृत से लिया गया। और उसके उपरांत मैंने यह भी जाना कि कैसे हिंदू लॉ का इतिहास जुड़ा हुआ है या ऐतिहासिक जो सोर्स है वो संस्कृत से ही लिया गया है। अगर मैं ये कहना चाहूँ कि मेरा जो अनुभव रहा इस विषय को लेकर काफ़ी बेहतर रहा, परंतु मुझे सिर्फ एक समस्या जो दिखी इस विषय को लेने के बाद वो सिर्फ यही थी कि अगर ये विषय मुझे क्लास में बैठकर पढ़ाया जाता तो मैं इससे और ज़्यादा अच्छा अनुभव ले पाता।
I am very glad that I have taken admission in functional Sanskrit course. I have taken admission in this course for only to be able to read and understand the Indian literature. Now I am not only able to read and understand but also able to form sentences and am able to at least communicate or understand. Of course, our teacher Dr. Vipin Kumar Jha is very supportive throughout the course period, and he given us opportunity to communicate in this language. He made us to give our intro in this language, and he is very kind and empathetic throughout the course period. Whenever we had made any mistake, he corrected in a very empathetic manner. Thank you, sir.
नमः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वाभ्यश्च। हरियाणा केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालयस्य संस्कृत विभाग द्वारा संचालित व्यवहारिकं संस्कृतम् इति पाठ्यक्रमः अस्माकं कृते मूलग्रन्थ पठन संदर्भे बहुलाभाय वर्तते। विशेषतया अहं योग विभागीय छात्र अस्मि। अस्मत् कृते एषः पाठ्यक्रमः योगग्रन्थ अवबोधन निमित्तं लाभकरः अस्ति। स्पीच थेरेपी निमित्तं संस्कृत श्लोकोच्चारणं निश्चयेन प्रभावकारी वर्तते। धन्यवादः।
We have organized a 6 days international seminar on quality research in Sanskrit in this event. In this event, 4 vice chancellors and 147 participants has been participated from different universities.
महदिदं प्रमोदस्थानं यत् क्षेत्रस्थ केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालयेन शोधकर्मणि छात्रान् इतरांश्च प्राध्यापकान् प्रेरयितुम् अयं कश्चित् समारोहः सम्पादितः।
एवं प्रकारेण शोधकार्यस्य बहवः पक्षाः सन्ति। संक्षेपेण मया दिग्दर्शनं कृतम्। एवं यदि क्रियते तर्हि शोधस्य उत्कृष्टता सुतरां सिद्धा भवितुमर्हति।
किन्तु मन्ये एतावन्मात्रेणैव काचन नूतना दृष्टिः विकासं प्राप्स्यति इति शोधार्थिनां हृत्सु मनस्सु व्यवहारेषु आचारेषु च इति सम्यक् विश्वसिमि।
जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और मैं प्रथम आपको बधाई देना चाहूँगा कि आपने जो कार्य अपने हाथों में लिया और आज वो कार्य जो है संपन्न हो रहा है। आज आपने जो 6 दिन की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संगोष्ठी का आज समापन समारोह है।
On the base of cultural activities, department has celebrated Charcha Satra to explain the Indian view on New Year. Department has been provided professional guidance for students of the university.
तो ये हमारा बहुत बड़ा दायित्व है कि हम अपने इतिहास और संस्कृति का जो वास्तविक प्रामाणिक जो परिप्रेक्ष्य है उसको विश्व के सामने प्रामाणिक रूप से उपस्थापित करें। और वो तभी हो सकता है जब हमारे विद्यार्थी इन मूल संदर्भों तक पहुंचेंगे।
ऐसा कैसे कहा जा सकता है? तो इसके लिए हमारे पास प्रमाण है कि मंत्रश्च ब्राह्मणं चेति बहुभावो तेन मंत्रतः अन्यत् ब्राह्मणम् इत्येतत् भवेत् ब्राह्मण लक्षणम्। जैमिनी न्यायमाला में पूर्व पक्ष
Sanskrit department has been provided a platform to learn hybrid Sanskrit Buddhism from Sanskrit Buddhism workshop. It is a 1-month durational course. 130 students from 12 countries has been registered for this course. And here is the feedback from the participants.
Namaskar everyone. This was a great opportunity for me being in the corporate life and immerse myself into Sanskrit language and Buddhist literatures. Understanding basics of Sanskrit, grammar, understanding composition of word, all the way from Sandhi Vichhed, Samas and Karak.
Text at that time we will just try to compare. The style will be quite different.
That is Sruhal Lake. Sruhal Lake is very important text.
Thank you very much, and I appreciate if you guys can make more such courses in future.
Cambodian people are almost 90% are Buddhist, so we need to understand the original text.
Hello sir, my name is Sing Heng. I'm from Cambodia. I'm studying Sanskrit language because I like Sanskrit. And
very good opportunity for me to take back to the Sanskrit language after almost 7 or 8 months. So thank you very much, and I look forward to learn more in Sanskrit and hope to participate in this workshop. Thank you, sir.
And I'm German, and I'm living like Dr. R. I'm in Karnataka. I'm living in Bangalore. I'm a student of Tibetan Buddhism in an informal way, and lately I have been interested and have been taking part in quite a few teachings that were always getting back to the Sanskrit roots, and I I have been studying through Sanskrit through Buddhist texts.
Okay, Melissa Noble from Brisbane. I just really want to deepen my understanding of texts.
Hello everyone, my name is Narod. I study University of Stockholm. I love Sanskrit language because I want to know about language.
So my name is Thich. I come from actually I'm Vietnamese Buddhist monk. So that's why I would like to directly understand the Buddhist text in Sanskrit language.
Well, I'm currently in Australia at the moment, and I've been studying Buddhism for many years.
Apart from the introduction given about me, I was somewhat instrumental in the establishment of University of Buddhist and Indic Studies at Sanchi. And I have been to Sri Lanka also, met Honorable President there, and met the chairperson of International Mahabodhi Society. I went there with the proposal of Buddhist Museum.
Understanding the basic texts of Sanskrit and Buddhism is a wonderful concept which is highly useful, not only from the point of view of language, literature, philosophy, but also particularly from the point of view of international relations.
I'm very happy that this initiative has been taken by you people, and Navanalanda Mahavihar, being under the Ministry of Culture, we will feel happy that if we collaborate and we'll have a very formal and interaction and rather some sort of MOU to take this take it forward for our coming generation. So with
Dr. Lab, before information, I want to inform that our university introduced teaching Sanskrit through Sanskrit medium.
They're very fine, very fine.
And we accept all their assignments Sanskrit medium and their examination in Sanskrit medium and all their seminars also in Sanskrit medium. Yeah.
We feel proud of you.
I am Varsha Rani. I am a Gurgaon-based journalist. The learning experience with Dr. Bipin Kumar Jha and his invited speakers, Professor Rana Purushottam Singh and Professor Anand Singh, was indeed great because they are all masters of their subject, and their lectures provided us fresh insights into the understanding of the basic Sanskrit Buddhist texts and the Sanskrit language itself. Thank you.
And at last, we are thankful to the media, the technical team, and those who helps us directly and indirectly. Thank you so much.